Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going to be going over an exercise on using an if function. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. So the exercise here is put an if function in the yellow column here, right down here. Below that says hi if greater than or equal to the cost threshold. Cost threshold's right here in cell B11, so B11, or otherwise says low. Alright, so how would you construct that if statement? So I'll give you a second to think about that. You can pause the video and give it a thought. Alright, I'm back. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to first do equal to tell Excel that we're putting in a function, and then we're going to do if parentheses. So in that if, first thing is you have to put in a logical test, so something that's going to result in either a true or a false. So in this case we're looking at the cost threshold, and is this cost greater than the cost threshold? So we're going to select this cell here right next to the cell we're interested in, doing the equation, and then we're going to do is that greater than, so it says is it greater than or equal to, so we're going to do greater than or equal to. And then we're going to do this cost threshold cell right here, B11. And we're going to press F4 because we want to lock it to this when we drag this down the column. Alright, so that's the first part of it. We're going to do comma then. So what do we want it to say or have in the cell if it evaluates as true? So if B14 is indeed greater than this cost threshold, what do we want it? And it says right here we want it to say high. So if it's some sort of text, we need to put the quotation marks around it so that Excel knows it is text. Otherwise, if it's a number, we can just put in the number directly. Alright, then a comma, what do we want it to say if it's false? So in this case, we want it to say low, so we're again going to put quotation marks, and then we're going to end that with a parenthesis, and that should be our statement there. Alright. So you can see this is indeed lower than our cost threshold, so this is low. If we go ahead and drag this down, we'll see that this is higher than the cost threshold, this is higher, and this is higher, and this is higher. So those say high. And you can see we've got the green correct in that cell now, telling us that we have the correct answer. Alright, hope you guys are able to follow along with that, and you join me for the other exercises in the series.